way Jonkari India, okay? Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. India is having different types of religions. We have Hinduism, we have Islam, and we have Sikhism. We have also Christianity. This drama will also be part of that. It will show you how India is diverse in religions, cultures, and languages. So, each individual in this drama, they are trying to convert India, the whole India, into their own religion. Kikwa wakari India kan long tang kan yang Hindu lane Muslim lane Kristen lane Sikhism. Kata katika ideology jonki. Henry kidon pat katu katne ki beriu ki babaha. Okay, good Samaritan so to say. Nanta kinsa wanra kajing sup. Baka India kamday nakpenta jongno Henry kadai nakpenta jongilang baro. Nanta jongilang baro. That's why we are living in this beautiful country known as India. We love different languages, different cultures, and different religions. So now we will start.
أشهد أن لا
हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी, शान से कहेंगे हम सब तभी तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम, हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा